Welcome to Doplac CRM YouTube channel. Hello everyone, I am Tanzil and today I'll be showing you how you can create service on your Doplac CRM. So I have signed into my Doplac CRM, and after signing into your Doplac CRM, click on service from the left side under the client area, and this is the page where you can find all the services that you have created earlier. And to add a new service, just click on add service. Choose your service name. I'm gonna choose my service name. Okay, you can choose your service image thumbnail. When you will click, the media library will open from the right corner. You can choose any image from the media library if you have any image in the media library, or you can just upload any image directly from your computer just by clicking browse. So I'm going to choose from my media library. This is the image that I'm going to choose. That's okay. So here it is. Now I have to create the package for my service. The first package, I'm going to choose the name for my first package. Okay, you can skip the name and the description of the package. It is mandatory, so you have to make sure that you are writing proper description and the name of your package. So now I'm going to write the description for my packages. Here it is. I have just passed pre-write description here to make the video short. Okay, so when you're done with description, choose your package thumbnail. You can choose specific thumbnail for specific packages. So I'm going to choose this one for this package. Okay, done. Here it is your payment option. At this moment, we are giving you to connect Stripe. We are working to provide some more option for you. Hope it will be available soon. And here it is your pricing. If it's one-time pricing, then you can continue with one-time pricing. If the recurring pricing, you just have to turn on the button and you have to choose your recurring time, as it's monthly, weekly, or quarterly, or yearly. So when you are choosing, then you can choose your recurring pricing. I'm going with one-time pricing. So one-time pricing will for my service $5.99. Okay, then okay, my first service is created. I'm gonna create a new package under the service. So I'm gonna just copy the package, change the name. You know, when you are changing your package, you have to change your description, but I'm not going to change it at this moment. I'm going to change the package thumbnail for the new package. I'm going to choose this one. It's okay. Once again, you have to make sure your pricing. I'm going to choose this price for my second package. When you are done with package and pricing and your payment option, everything, just click on save. And here it is successful. My service has created successfully. And this is the thing, you can go back to your service package to find your service, is it created or not. And here it is, this is the service that I have created. If you want to create any add-ons under the service, then you can just click on add add-ons. Choose the service you want to create add-ons under. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, you can choose multiple service. You can create add-ons. You can create a single add-ons for multiple services. At this moment, I'm going to create a single add-ons for the single services that I have created just a minute back. Give your add-ons a name. Just okay, I have chosen my add-ons name. I'm skipping the image to make the video short. I'm going to write something random to make the video short. Okay, choose your package thumbnail properly. Okay, when you are done, choose the pricing. Once again, you can choose if the add-ons price is recurring or one time, but I'm gonna continue with one-time pricing, 150. Just click on save and publish. And here it is, my add-ons created successfully. So when I'm going back to my service package, I will be able to find my service and the add-ons under the service. Here it is. This is the add-on under this service. And if you turn on the show catalog button, then you will find your service under the catalog page. This is the service catalog page that I have 4 service at this moment. Then 4 of them are available here. And here it is. This is the service page link. I would be able to share the service page with any of my client or any of them. So just copy the link from here. And here it is. When any client will land on your service package or service page, they will find all of your service and they can order service from your service page. So this is all about creating service and add-ons on your Doplac CRM, and I have showed you how you can share your service with your client and how they can easily order your service. This is all about. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any question or feedback regarding creating service and add-ons on your Doplac CRM, leave them in the comment below.